In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about a stock that can more than 5x by the end of the year, not including the 100% that is already up on the week. But first, before we get into the stock and what stock it is, if you're new here and haven't already, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. I post new videos every week and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. And also, while you're down there, please be sure to destroy the like button. It really helps to support the channel and lets me know that you like videos such as these. And also, if you still haven't made the switch to WEBULL, WEBULL is giving away 4 free stocks, 2 when you open an account on WEBULL, and 2 free stocks when you fund the account with $100 or more. All 4 of those stocks together provide a minimum value of $21, anywhere up to $3,700. So if you haven't already, check out WEBULL using my referral link down below in the description. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, now you already heard me say that this stock has the potential to more than 5x on the year, and that is certainly no understatement. The stock is already up nearly 100% on the week, and we're only halfway through the trading week. And what is this mystery stock, you ask? It's ticker symbol CCIB Churchill Capital Corp. Now, while I said this stock can more than 5x by the end of the year, there are a few things that this stock needs to do in order to reach its full potential and for that to happen. The stock alone is just a company that is on the market simply to merge with another company. And while that alone doesn't sound that exciting, the company that they're in talks of merging with is none other than Lucid Motors. And for those of you who don't know who Lucid Motors is projected to be one of the most high quality, luxurious Tesla ripoffs today. Now, when I say Tesla ripoff, I mean exactly that, Tesla ripoff. Lucid Motors is headed by someone who used to be one of Tesla's very own higher-ups. The CEO is none other than Peter Rawlinson, and yeah, he used to belong to Tesla. You better believe he definitely took all his intel and knowledge of Tesla and brought it straight over to Lucid Motors. And we all know the incredible power of the Tesla stock. Do not bet against Tesla, but look out, there is potentially a new Tesla in town. Their vehicles are supposed to begin production in the spring of 2021. Guys, that's just a few months from now, and they're already making crazy promises that far exceed what Tesla has done to this day. So I said there are a few things that need to happen in order for this stock to reach its full potential and more than 5x on the year. The first obstacle that this stock needs to overcome is the merger. Right now, everything is just a rumor. Churchill Corp and Lucid Motors are simply just in talks right now. They haven't quite struck a deal, or it hasn't been announced to the public. So right now it's really just speculation, but there is a good chance that this will go through, and trading at below $20 per share, you're really not risking too much getting in at these levels. The stock definitely has massive upside if this goes through, and with them starting production this year, with them starting production early this spring, they have an early chance to prove themselves. And because Tesla, NIO, and many other companies already got the electric vehicle ball rolling, this company has the potential to grow faster than Tesla. People have already bought into the future of electric vehicles, making it a lot easier for Lucid Motors. The next obstacle that Lucid Motors needs to overcome is they need to come through with their promises. That means that the car with over 517 miles of battery, they need to get this car out on the road. And I truly believe as long as they can do this thing, this stock will more than likely 5x by the end of the year. One crazy thing that I'd like to add to this video is that even Jim Cramer is buying into this stock. Just yesterday on Mad Money on CNBC, he said he wished he had bought into it earlier.
Ticker symbol CCIB.
Yes.
My question is, regardless if this SPAC deal goes through, is Lucid Motors worth it?
Yes. Yes, it's one of the good ones. And I've spent a lot of time on this group. Thank you for this kind comments about 10 years. But I saw the Churchill Capital and I said, darn it all, I wish I hadn't got that one before, because they're very, very smart people. Yeah, I think you're okay to. I think it's a good situation. I know it's speculative, but I think it's good.
So while it is a spec play at the moment, it's much better to buy in right now below $20 when there's not that much risk than when it rockets up to $60 and they haven't quite yet proven their concept. And for those of you curious how I'm playing this, the way that I'm playing this is, since the stock is relatively inexpensive, I'm personally just loading up on as many shares as I can. I'm not buying any options on it at the moment, simply because I don't know when the stock's gonna move. I have a feeling that by the end of the week, it'll be well above $30. But just because I truly do not know, I would rather buy shares than buy options. But I want to know, are you picking up any shares? Let me know down below in the comments. Did you learn anything or enjoy the video? If you did, please be sure to smash the like button. And again, if for some reason you made it this far and you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. I post new videos every week and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. And last but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching, and peace.